These foods look delicious. Some of them are considered rare delicacies worth hundreds of dollars. But they have one thing in common. They can kill you. One wrong bite, one improper preparation, and you could be dead within hours. Some of these are sold in restaurants right now. Number 14 is probably in your kitchen. And number 22? People pay thousands just to risk their lives eating it. Let's dive in. Your life might depend on it. Number 1. Ackee fruit, Jamaica. Jamaica's national fruit looks harmless, but it contains hypoglycin EA, a toxin that causes violent vomiting, seizures, and coma. It's known as Jamaican vomiting sickness. If you eat it before it naturally opens, the toxin levels are lethal. Even a single unripe fruit can kill an adult in 12 hours. Number 2. Fugu, Japan. Fugu, the pufferfish, is one of the deadliest foods on Earth. It contains tetrodotoxin, over 1,000 times deadlier than cyanide, and there is no antidote. One fish holds enough toxin to kill 30 adults. Chefs train for years to prepare it safely, yet people still die every year. The poison paralyzes you while you remain fully conscious. You feel your body shut down as you slowly lose the ability to breathe. Number 3. Casu marzu, Italy. This Sardinian cheese is filled with thousands of living maggots. They can survive stomach acid, burrow into your intestines, and cause internal bleeding and infections. It's so dangerous it's banned in the European Union, yet people still buy it illegally. Number 4. Giant bullfrog, Namibia. This frog is considered a delicacy in Namibia, but its skin, organs, and eggs are all saturated with toxins that can cause kidney failure and death. It's only considered safe after mating season, and even then, it's still a gamble. Number 5. Elderberries. Raw, cooked elderberries are healthy, but raw ones contain cyanide-producing compounds. Eating them can lead to nausea, vomiting, and even coma. The leaves, stems, and unripe berries are especially toxic. Number 6. Sanakji, Korea. This dish features octopus so fresh the tentacles are still moving. The danger? The suction cups stay active and can latch onto your throat as you swallow, leading to choking. Every year, several people suffocate from eating it. Number 7. Monkey brains. In some regions, monkey brains are eaten raw. Besides the ethical issues, it can transmit Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, a fatal brain disorder that destroys the brain, causes dementia, and has a 100% fatality rate. Number 8. Blood clams, China. These clams get their red color from hemoglobin. They grow in polluted waters full of viruses and bacteria. Eating them raw can infect you with hepatitis, typhoid, and dysentery. One outbreak infected over 300,000 people and killed dozens. Number 9. Cassava. This staple food feeds 500 million people, but raw cassava contains linamarin, which turns into cyanide inside your body. If it's not properly soaked, fermented, and cooked, it becomes deadly. Number 10. Rhubarb leaves. The stalks are safe, but the leaves contain oxalic acid and other toxins that can cause breathing difficulty, seizures, kidney failure, and coma. Eating large amounts can kill an adult. Number 11. Hakkarl, Iceland. Greenland shark is toxic when fresh, saturated with uric acid and other chemicals. It must be fermented for months just to make it somewhat edible. Even then, it smells like ammonia and tastes infamous for its overpowering, unpleasant burn. Number 12. Raw kidney beans. Raw or undercooked kidney beans contain a powerful natural toxin. Eating just 5 beans can cause extreme nausea and vomiting. Slow cookers don't reach the temperature needed to destroy the toxin. Boiling is essential. Number 13. Wild mushrooms. The deathcap mushroom causes 90% of mushroom-related deaths worldwide. A single one can destroy your liver and kidneys. Symptoms take hours to appear. By then, the damage is already done. Number 14. Apple seeds. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, which releases cyanide when digested. You'd need to chew around 200 seeds for a lethal dose, but regularly ingesting them can cause chronic poisoning. Number 15. Eskimos, Mexico. These ant larvae, known as insect caviar, are expensive and delicious, but harvesting them is dangerous. The ants defend their nests with venomous stings that can trigger anaphylactic shock, and if the larvae aren't cleaned properly, they can carry parasites. Number 16. Star fruit. For people with healthy kidneys, star fruit is safe, but those with kidney issues are at serious risk. Star fruit contains a neurotoxin that can enter the brain when kidneys can't filter it. It causes confusion, seizures, coma, and can be fatal even in small amounts. Number 17. Silver striped blossop, Indian Ocean, a cousin of the fugu fish, but even deadlier. It contains higher concentrations of tetrodotoxin, and unlike fugu, there are no trained chefs licensed to handle it. People who eat it are taking a massive risk. Number 18. Hot dogs. Surprisingly, hot dogs are the #1 choking hazard for children in the United States. Their shape perfectly blocks a child's airway, and dozens of kids die each year because of it. Number 19. Baeondegi, Korea. These boiled silkworm pupae are a common snack, but they cause severe allergic reactions. Anyone sensitive to shellfish or dust mites can experience throat swelling, breathing difficulty, and life-threatening anaphylaxis. Number 20. Kurage, giant jellyfish. These massive jellyfish can weigh over 400 pounds. Their tissues contain multiple toxins, and improper preparation can lead to severe allergic reactions, respiratory failure, and cardiac arrest. Number 21. Kasufrazigu, Sardinia. Similar to casu marzu, but even more dangerous. The maggots inside this cheese can jump several inches, and they sometimes land in people's eyes. If eaten alive, they can infest your digestive system and must be surgically removed. Number 22. The hakarl plus fugu combination. Some thrill seekers combine fermented shark with fugu, creating one of the most unpredictable and dangerous meals on Earth. These toxins interact in unpredictable ways, overwhelming the body faster than doctors can respond. People have died within hours of eating this combination. Why we're attracted to danger. So why do people eat these foods? Biology. The thrill of danger triggers adrenaline and dopamine, the same chemicals released during extreme sports. It's also about status, being able to brag that you survived a deadly meal. Many of these foods are rare and expensive, adding to their appeal. And for some cultures, the danger is part of the tradition, something passed down for generations. How to stay safe. When traveling, never eat a dangerous food unless you can verify how it was prepared. Know your allergies. Research before you try something unusual. Listen to locals. They understand the risks better than any tourist. And always know where the nearest hospital is. 22 foods that can kill you. Some slowly, some instantly, some in horrifying ways. Food is meant to nourish you, but for some, the danger is the appeal. So tell me, would you try any of these? Or are you playing it safe? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Tag a friend who would actually eat these. Like the video, subscribe for more deadly facts, and think twice before ordering that exotic delicacy. Your life might depend on it.